Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and I am in Burlington, Vermont. And what I'm going to do today in this video is I'm going to drive southeast of here along Highway 100, and I'm going to video 4 different waterfalls that are really close to the highway. All of them, you don't have to walk very far at all to see. There's a lot of waterfalls in Vermont and New Hampshire that I've been videoing lately. Don't normally get a chance to see this many waterfalls, but now that I have the chance, I'm going to video them for you. And the tower that you see behind me is a unique item. Let me show it to you. It is the world's tallest filing cabinet that they put on top of each other. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different filing cabinets. And from this angle, you can see that each one of those 10 cabinets has from 3 to 5 drawers on them. So somebody took all of these filing cabinets, they didn't need any more, and just, I guess, welded them somehow on top of each other. How about that? Whoa. It's at 208 Flynn Street, and this is the Howard Center, which is a personal help center, and it is just right in the middle of their parking lot here. I don't think you'll find one of these anywhere else. But before I go, I'm going to see if there's anything else around here in Burlington to video for you. Just a couple blocks down the street from the filing cabinets is Oak Ledge Park. This is Lake Champlain, which I remember many years ago they tried to get it officially designated as an additional one of the Great Lakes, and for some reason it didn't quite go through. It is a really huge lake. There is sort of a beach here. Maybe it looks a lot nicer when they clean it up for the summer. It's kind of muddy and has a lot of debris. There's just one more beach I want to show you here in Burlington. It's called North Beach. It's a really large beach, and the sand here is a little sandier than the others, mixed in with a lot of dirt and light gravel. There's the boat harbor over there. This might be the best beach in town. A lot of grassy lawns here as well. And this is progressive. The beach house has cocktails and dining. And I think this is the dining room. And don't worry about messing up the carpet. This is pretty nice. There's a big island not too far out there. There are several beaches and parks around Burlington. And yeah, this is my favorite. And for another reason. It has its own campground. Even with electric and water hookups for the RVs. Right there. It has a lot of tents and RVs intermingled. I don't know what they charge for camping here, but all these people are willing to pay it. And this is nice. They also have some of these tent shelters. Well, folks, now let's go and Take a look at those waterfalls. You can find Thunspring Falls on Google Maps. And I'll show you here. You take River Road off of Highway 4 if you're coming up from the north. And after, well, let's say about a half mile before the falls, it turns into a hard-packed gravel dirt road. There's the parking lot, which is a very small parking lot. And then the falls are right there. And according to this, the hike from here to the falls should be about 2/10 of a mile. Now there was room for me to park my motorhome on the side here. They've got this boardwalk that goes most of the way to the falls. And this is all part of the Appalachian Trail. And when the boardwalk ends, it's just a flat gravel trail. So the whole trail is actually wheelchair accessible. This looks like a nice place to set up a tent, but sorry. So this is where you can hear the falls pretty well and see them through the trees there a bit. There's a viewing platform. This is as far up as you can see. The water goes down to a little pond there. I don't know where it flows to. Kind of a canyon wall there. Very beautiful setting.
Maybe ask them like the waist up and then the fall. Thank you. Okay.
I'll take a couple, okay?
Okay, that'd be great.
Here's a shot from higher up and off to the side. Ooh, this tree had a bad day. It's going down pretty wide here, but it's all flowing down to the pool over there by some buildings. Very nice waterfall. I wonder what those two buildings are. Very nice. Along Highway 100, there is a pull-off parking area here, right alongside this creek. And over here, feeding the creek, is a waterfall. This is Glen Falls. And you know what? I have never seen a waterfall in the winter when it's iced over with snow. Just never had a chance to do that. Now this is at Highway 100, a little ways south of Warren, right there. And it's actually just a little ways north of Granville. It's a pretty small creek. It's a tall waterfall. And there's a couple tree logs or tree trunks right to the right and left of it you see there. I wonder if those fell naturally like that or if someone put them there on purpose. There's a second tier up here. And there's another trail that goes off to the left here. I'll show you that, to another waterfall. It's just a short walk here to see the other waterfall, which is much larger. That's as far as you can see up to it. And there's a little one right there. And there's a puddle, or I guess you'd say a pond, going out to meet up with the creek there. Actually, you can get a better view of it from the highway right here. Here you go. That's much better. You can see further up to the top of it there. Nice. The creek runs right alongside the highway for quite a while here. And next is Warren Falls, just south of the town of Warren. And it's only 800 feet down the dirt trail here. Here's where it starts. And you can see the gorge going quite a ways down there. All those people are. I guess that's it. That's Warren Falls. Look at that log going across the river. A lot of people down here. Wow. Let's see if this guy is going to do it. He's thinking about it. Come on, you can do it. Oh, nice dive. Wow. More than I was expecting. I bet the people in this part of Vermont just love to come here on summer weekends. This lady has come prepared. Oh, really? This guy way up there is thinking about jumping that far down. I guess he knows how deep it is. Wow! He actually did it. Man, I'm guessing that was about 40 feet. Gee whiz. Braver than I thought. You can see the waterfalls further up here. That's the first one I showed you. It's where it starts coming down, and oh, I can see a little further up there with the rocks in the creek. Nice. There is a trail that goes down to the river, so you can easily get down there. But I think I'm going to stay put right here. Have a good overall view of everything. Here's another guy. Oh, he's getting really low though. Wonder if this little girl can do it. Nice. This water looks really clean. You can see all those rocks in the bottom there. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed my video of these waterfalls and things. Good day folks.